Hello everyone, good day. My name is Janeth Gador Armentano. I earned my Bachelor of Elementary Education major in Mathematics. I graduated my Master of Arts in Education major in Special Education, and I hold my Doctor of Development Education. I am a dedicated educator in the Philippine educational setting with 18 years of teaching experience handling lower grade students, specifically kindergarten and grade 1 class, with an average class size of 30 students, teaching them English, science, mathematics, PE, art, and reading. I also handle children with disabilities, like children with autism, ADHD, and children with visual impairment, and teaching them science, English, math, and reading also. I have achieved remarkable success coaching children with visual impairment, leading them to excel in sports and win competitions up to the national level for 3 consecutive years. I have successfully managed and organized para games competition in the entire Negros Oriental. This is a healthy competition for our children with special needs because we develop and celebrate their potentials in sports regardless of their limitations. I am deeply committed to nurturing students' growth by creating a dynamic, inclusive, and engaging learning environment, because I believe that every child has its own potential to learn when given the right support, the right environment, and encouragement. Thus, education for me is not just about imparting knowledge. It is about inspiring lifelong love for learning. Thank you so much.